Cast with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody. I hope you're having a good Wednesday. Certainly feeling different than the last several days with lower humidity. Prior to that, we had some isolated showers in the area this morning, but not much, mainly in parts of Live Oak and Jim Wells County. Back into Duval County, you can see how that line went through this morning. And then drier, but not necessarily cooler air ushered in. We'll feel the cool air after the sun sets. But right now, it's pretty hot outside, especially inland with 94 in Mathis and 91 in Alice, 86 in Port Aransas. We have 87. Dew point, that's the big difference. The lower humidity by 24 degrees in Beeville, 13 dew point temperature degrees lower here in Corpus Christi, and the dew point right now is at 67. Compare that with 80 this time yesterday, and that is definitely a big change. And a feel-good forecast underway with these dew point temperatures in the 50s and 60s at 7 in the morning and again tomorrow afternoon. So you don't have to worry about the heat index, which will be about the same as our high temperature, which will be in the low 90s, 50s and 60s across the region. You get into Friday morning and still in the 60s for dew points. Very unusual in a tropical climate like we have here this time of the year. So that's what we're going to enjoy, the cooler nighttime lows that'll last for about 5 nights starting tonight. With 87 degrees now, those mainly clear skies will drop down into the mid-70s at midnight in a light east wind that'll be variable from east to north all the way through early morning hours as we dip into the upper 60s. How about that? Satellite and radar shows we've got mainly clear skies. Few clouds down to the south right now coming back around Falfurrias, but no rain there. The drier air nudging into the region from the north around this area of Rocky Mountain high pressure that will settle into Texas over the next couple of days. In the meantime, this front causing damage with severe thunderstorms across the Ohio Valley. 350,000 people without power tonight across Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio from that system, but otherwise pretty tranquil weather pattern across much of the country with dry air in place across most of Texas. Again, we got the nose of that moisture coming in, but that's going to be dispersed by upper level high pressure with sinking air that'll be on or over much of the Lone Star State all the way through Saturday, Sunday, and even into early next week. With the high pressure taking over, there's no meaningful rainfall. Dry and cooler, 69 degrees. Lovely at 7 in the morning, 89 at noon, and 90 at 5 p.m. The highs tomorrow reach 92 here, 88 in Port Aransas. This is deceiving because the air is so dry with 95 degrees in Alice, and the 7-day forecast will start at 69 and at 92 tomorrow. 68 and 90 on Friday. The weekend looks fantastic. Look at Sunday morning, 66 degrees. That's near record low levels. Less humid, more seasonal all the way through Monday of next week. Starts to get more humid with a few more clouds by Tuesday and Wednesday. So gorgeous weather ahead for this time of the year. Lee?
All right. Thank you very much, Dale.